Okay, the start of another Uncle Keith's Paint Shop video, and this is my daily Honda CRZ, which, if you follow the channel, you know got hit by a Lithuanian truck, and then they disappeared off, and they didn't want to give us any details, and I've hassled them, so that one's going to be, yeah, we give up on that anyway, so it's time to get it repaired and painted, and there's a bit of work to do, because it's a bit tasty. It's a little bit kafoobarred. So first task up, we have got ourselves a door, which is, as you can see there, but we don't know what's in it. So Uncle Keith is going to unwrap this and find out what he needs to take off this door, to put on that door before he hangs it. And then it's about getting some paint on there, isn't it, our kid?
Yeah, what colour were you going for? This milkshake pink?
Yeah,
Colour here.
the whole car in pink, that would be great.
Which one were you saying? Probably this one here.
In all honesty, that is the one I want, yeah.
Well, let's do that then.
The gauntlet has been thrown down. Let's see how we get on first. Okay, so the Honda CRZ bumpers in the house. They look like they've had a little bit of a repair, Keith.
Yeah, had a bit of a taste in this area. It'd already been repaired before, so we've had to dig it out. This is old filler, so it's already had scratches in this area anyway.
Yeah.
And then there's covered in chips.
Yeah, so you've...
Chips. Screws.
Chips with dips.
Yeah.
And this is the rear.
The rear bumper was mainly just flaking paint for some reason. It was all flaking off all in this area. I put it down to it's been painted. This is primer, look, it's been painted before. I'm assuming somewhere along the lines. Something's not stuck as it should go. And then there's more flaking lacquer on this side.
Yeah. Oh, it's not a brand new car.
No,
It's 12 years old.
Yeah, and it's had some repairs along the way, and then.
Well, it's going to be mint in a minute. Well, this is prime. This is high build primer. In the good. Right, I'll let you get set up. Alright. I like it. Black of that. That looks lovely. Good work.
That's one coat complete.
So that's one coat. How many does it get?
Two. Two I looks like after two if you think you can't put a third in.
But you reckon two?
Normally two. That's quite heavy in my opinion. That's quite a lot. Mix a bit more, add a bit more into the pot.
Fantastic, we'll go again.
Half a litre good. About 200.
All right, cheers Keith. How'd you sort of run out, Keith?
Block it out.
Oh, okay. Attention to detail, ain't it, mate? Well done.
Well done.
I can't breathe that in. It's lacquer in my throat. Ugh. Well, here they are, Keith.
Ready? Look at that.
They're looking pretty. Yeah.
Look better than they did.
Oh, they definitely look better than they did, don't they? Yeah, they look lovely, mate. Absolutely lovely.
Pop some back on. Chuck them on.
Yeah, thanks once again, Keith. They look absolutely stunning. So these are the CRZ bumpers that are going back on my car today, maybe?
Oh yeah, they're going back on today.
Go back on today.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Yummy. They look like a new one, mate. Well, she's finally ready. She's been at Uncle Keith's paint shop, and frankly, I forgot which side of the car got damaged, and that's the sign of a good paint job and a good repair, because I couldn't remember which side it was, and you can't tell. Either side just looks mint, so that's fantastic. The paintwork we've had is front bumper, wing, bonnet, and basically the sides of the car and round the back of the bumper. So this is actually the corner that was damaged. Well, it just looks brand new to me. Other than the fact that obviously it's been painted, but it's still, still a bit of dirt on there at the bottom. But yeah, beautiful. Really happy with it. Really happy with it. It's the cleanest it's ever been, and that's because it's freshly painted. So I need to start washing cars and not just painting them when I get bored. But that looks absolutely phenomenal. I might even clean my alloys today. That's how happy I am with it. But
it wants a wash.
What a jolly good job that is. I'm so grateful. It just looks loads better. And obviously, because we had a bit of damage and it was a bit depressing, we whipped round some of the bits and we've done some bumpers and that, and they, the car looks better than the day I bought it.
It's a full repaint by the roof and tailgate, ain't it?
Yeah, other than the roof and the tailgate, it has been freshly repainted, the whole thing. But I'm really happy with it. It looks beautiful. What a beautiful colour it is anyway. But to see it, fresh, yeah, really happy with that. Thanks, Keith. Come on, what have you got to say?
In the sunshine. I think it looks beautiful. Yeah.
You like the colour, don't you?
Yeah, outside in the sunshine. Look at that.
Yeah?
Cracking.
Yeah.
I'm really pleased with how it's come out. Really pleased.
Good. Well, you put some effort into it, Keith, and it shows. So thank you very much.
I tried hard for a couple of hours.
I know you did, yeah. I know you did, mate. But yeah, really happy with that. So, yeah.
On to the next one.
On to the next one, indeed. Yeah, and we'll show you the next one on the next video. So, all right, Keith. Thanks very much.
Peace.
Peace out.
Yeah, peace out.
Peace out. Love it.